several gazillion specific moments which finally made this happen. Guys, since I was young, I always felt like I have an inner grandmom. I believe that money is something that's supposed to make your life better. Why should I give anything to God? Because I think God has enough, but I only have these 1500 bucks. Why does this always happen to me? Why is today turning out to be such a bad day? तो जब आप कहते हो यार मेरे साथ तो कुछ अच्छा होता ही नहीं है, तथास्तु.
Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Because it is akela.
Why did the math book look so sad? Because it had too many problems.
Girls, I need to tell you something. I know number of you have decided to alter something in your body because you didn't like how you looked in photos. Never ever get into I don't like this body. 9 साल की उम्र में guys मैंने सिर्फ संतरे खाए. For those of you who didn't understand, oranges for a whole week.
Calling your partner bro.
It's a red flag if he flirts with everyone when you're not around.
A friend tells you hard truths to your face.
I would say that's a green flag. Now they are the friends who actually save us sometimes. Oh my god. Guys, Facebook is out, Insta is in. Never! It was one more app. What is Snapchat? You take a snap and then you chat. This is where the monument is. This is where I will stand. Sometimes you don't even need an enemy. आप खुद ही अपना पोल खोल देते हो और फिर बोलते हो किसने मेरा पोल खोला? Oh God, I don't want to sing.
I dare you to give me a 200 rupees.
You want me to announce your number? Should I call your mummy? No. I didn't like the chewing sound they made when they ate.
Have you ever had a crush on a co-star? And who?
He doesn't want me to talk to other boys. Oh my God, he loves me so much. Saw the couch, sat on it and took a nap around 40 minutes. Poonam, get up. And supposedly I did this. In simple terms, if I have to tell why I didn't continue, literally gas ran out. That was what happened. Aunties, uncles, doesn't matter. Guys, I've got the same feedback. You need to start a podcast. एक concept होता है ना YOLO. You live only once, we may all die, just spend everything. Gold is always going to be of value, especially when I shopped for clothes and stuff. I want to tell you that questions are actually way more powerful than affirmations. Again, little complex term guys, we have something called confirmation bias, which is if I already believe in something, my brain and my life will work double time to make it true.
She hugged me.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. केवल लास्ट में आप जॉब करते हैं? ऐसे आप तेलुगु है ना, इसे हाँ मैडम इधर से ऐसे मेरा पिक्चर नहीं देखा आपने? अय्या नहीं, you look like somebody who's kind of famous, but I didn't know it's you. अच्छा it's you, oh. तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम स्नैक बनाएंगे. पहले हम क्या करेंगे? पहले हम 2 ऑनियन लेंगे. अगर आपके पास ऑनियन नहीं है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन है तो फिर ऑनियन मत लो.
Splitting the bill on first date.
रेड फ्लैग. मैं तैयार होके आई हूँ, ठीक है, अपना फेशियल किया है, मैंने लिप ग्लॉस लगाया, बाल स्ट्रेटन किए, नया ड्रेस लिया, जूते पहने, पर्स लिया, वो सब करके मैं आई डेट के लिए. यू केम इन योर पैंट्स एंड टी शर्ट और शर्ट. गाइस, नाउ देयर आर 2 TB digital phones in the world of Instagram. So I will take 500 photos before I find that one photo. फ्रेंड्स आके पूछते थे कि मैंने कैंडी क्रश का रिक्वेस्ट भेजा and you didn't accept it.
Madam, do you like your own Tesla?
Guys, I never liked my own Tesla.
I dare you to show me your wallet.
Guys, I've done some vastu stuff. कभी कभी मम्मी बोलेगी अरे मदर्स डे था कुछ डाला नहीं मेरे लिए इंस्टाग्राम पे. अच्छा जस्ट किडिंग, जस्ट इन केस माय मॉम इज वाचिंग, शी विल से आई नेवर सेड ऑल. In 2014 6th June, the first post I ever put, I have just captioned it, "Hello Instagram." This was during shoot for a Kannada film called Mast Mohabbat in Ooty. Act like you're drinking coffee and reading a paper, so I acted.
What kind of relationship do you want to build with your YouTube audience?
Ooh, very deep question. What I enjoy doing the most is dishing out gyan.
At this stage, I can happily say it's not about how my body looks so much versus every day how I try to remember what it does for me. Stomach, I don't like your legs, I don't like this. तुम्हारा ये कम होना चाहिए, ये ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. If God said that to you every day, what do you think our relationship would be like? If you're truly my best friend, I will eat your cake also. Again, she can't cut my cake, but I will cut her cake.
What is your WhatsApp current DP?
Where I'm like this. But it didn't last long because my mom got really upset. She's like, bob cut के साथ तुम हीरोइन नहीं लगती. That was exactly what my mom told me. Which said that you are the perfect wife material. And बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार बताने के लिए कि ये लड़की कुछ नहीं करती किचन में.